Hey, food lovers, welcome to Diaries. Today we're diving into the favorite flavors of the king of pop himself. Michael Jackson's favorite Mexican dish, chicken tacos. Let's groove into this delicious recipe that MJ would surely have loved. Start with 500 grams of boneless chicken breast, sliced into thin strips. We're gonna give it that spicy, bold flavor Michael Jackson's known for. Mix 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Coat your chicken well. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan on medium heat and cook the chicken for 6 to 8 minutes until it's perfectly golden and juicy. Warm your corn tortillas in a pan for 30 seconds on each side to get that soft, warm base. Now let's bring it all together. Pile the seasoned chicken onto the tortilla, add your fresh veggies, a squeeze of lime, and finish with sour cream or shredded cheese if you like. Michael Jackson loved the rhythm in his music, and now you can taste the rhythm in every bite of these chicken tacos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and cook with soul only on Diaries. See you next time.